being out there with them, playing alongside them, how much did this do for you as well? And you are a veteran of the team and a local-based player.
It definitely prompted me to lift my game almost immediately, because these guys are highly skilled. They get paid for what they do, so that shows that they really know what they're doing.
Yeah.
I mean, you don't just get paid couple £1,000 to just lie on your back.
Yeah.
You have to be good at what you do, and while playing with them, you feel immediately. You feel their energy.
Yeah.
Their energy is so massive.
Yeah.
Their attitude, their discipline, it's massive. It's just far above leaps and bounds above any amateur player.
Yeah.
That have.
Let me bring in Sadiq. In 2021 is the World Cup. It might seem like a long time until that World Cup, but what are some of the key things that you'll be doing within that time period to ensure that the team is ready and goes there not just to be spectators, but to be very competitive?
Well, the first thing we're looking to do is to try and get funding, work has already been started. We need to see how we're going to pull this off, how we're going to go there, not to just be participants, but we're going there to compete. So we want to know, we're trying now to put everything in place, locally, overseas, camps, everything, pulling out everything to make it a show, 2021.
And how much do you think this qualification has done for rugby league in Jamaica and getting it to be even more popular and getting even more players to start taking up?
I think it has opened up a whole new thing for rugby league in general, globally. We've been getting congratulations across the world, A lot of people saying, we never know Jamaica has a rugby league team, or even, rugby in general, So the exposure is, I think it is important. Yeah. We need it. We just need to build on everything we have now. Yeah. And try to grow as best as possible, especially locally.
Andrew Dixon,
yeah, man.
Chairman of Jamaica's Rugby League team, thank you so much for joining us. And also Marvin Thompson, Vice Captain, veteran of Jamaica Rugby League team.
Thank you.
And of course the astute Romeo Monteith, Head Coach of Jamaica's Rugby League team. Thank you so very much, gentlemen, for joining us here on 9 Sports, and we'll definitely be following your progress.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, so we take a break and come back with, guess what? Road racing, the Reggae Marathon comes up. Soon come.